Hello and welcome to MSTV. I'm Neha Chauhan, and on today our talk show Rubaru, we have Indo-Azerbaijan Film and Culture Forum chapter president and director and founder of Group MMC, Manish Shah, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello,
How are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
Okay, sir. So how you? I'm good. And how you feeling coming to Mava Studios?
I am very excited to come to here, and today I am here, and it is great opportunity. I came to here. I just visit Marwa Studio. It is great here. The film city also here, film academic also, and there is a university also. It is great platform. It's one very wonderful.
It's lovely, sir. Lovely to hear, sir. So my next question to you would be, okay, what are your key responsibilities being in Indo-Azerbaijan Film and Culture Forum?
I'm in Azerbaijan. There is we open the Indo-Azerbaijan Film and Culture Forum.
Hmm.
I'm as a chapter president. They are planning for movie shooting, everything for the film star. They are coming the meeting for culture ministry department, everything. So we are more going to be promote to shoot in Azerbaijan, Baku.
That's great.
Thank you.
Okay, so moving on to next question. So if we talk about tourism, so you're promoting Azerbaijan tourism in India. So we don't know about Azerbaijan, it's their culture, their art form. So can you tell us about that?
Uh, Great, sure. About the Azerbaijan, I would love to just tell about Azerbaijan as a Azerbaijan country is a very beautiful country, very peaceful country, and I would love to say Azerbaijan and India culture, languages, there is a so much similar.
Okay,
Like we are in India, in Hindi, we say dostana. Also in Azerbaijan say dostana, kimat, kanun, kaida. Also so many words similar. Also there is so many festival culture also similar. Just recently, just recently there is a Nowruz. In March there is a Nowruz festival,
okay.
and also we have similar Holi. Is both is similar. So there is so many culture, languages is so much similar.
That's very fascinating to know. I mean, we didn't know about that. And if we talk about your journey, I wanted to ask you how you went to Azerbaijan, how your career started in that form. In you are being an Indo chapter president of Indo and Azerbaijan Film and Culture Forum. So how that whole journey started?
There is a after Corona, I just think about and just I see the Azerbaijan. There is a nice country, beautiful country, peaceful country. There is a no violence. So just I think and decided, and just I go to Azerbaijan, Baku, and after that I set up my own company, my company team and everything. It is very easily, and there is a in Azerbaijan, Baku, there is a people are very nicely and friendly. Always they support me. Always they love me.
That's lovely to hear, and it's very fascinating to know about your journey. It's kind of very interesting.
Yes.
So let's, sir, if I ask about how is India portrayed in Azerbaijan? I mean, इंडिया को किस तरीके से वहाँ पे देखा जाता है, इंडियन पीपल्स को कैसे देखा जाता है, अगर हम अजरबैजान कंट्री की बात करें तो?
अजरबैजान में या इंडिया को वेरी फ्रेंडली दिया देखते हैं और वो too much love the Indian people and everything culture. Even in Azerbaijan, when I went to first time, so there is a I saw that many people they love the Indian movie, Indian song, and people are singing the whole song. I can't believe that time they we are singing the whole song. Yeah, and there is so many people they love the India.
आई मीन भारत हमारा छाया हुआ है यानी कि
हाँ,
अजरबैजान में।
yes,
ये तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा सुन के। सो इफ यू टॉक अबाउट योर वी टॉक अबाउट योर जर्नी, वी टॉक अबाउट योर करियर। अगर आपको जैसे यू सेड दैट यू वांटेड टू प्रमोट टूरिज्म इन इंडिया अबाउट अजरबैजान, सो कैन
yes,
यू नेम 5 प्लेसेस इन अजरबैजान दैट इज दैट यू वांटेड पीपल टू विजिट? आई मीन इट्स अ मस्ट विजिट इफ यू विजिटिंग अजरबैजान।
yes. जहाँ पे बाकू बाकू कैपिटल सिटी है, तो
जी।
बाकू बाकू में फायर टेम्पल है, फायर फायर माउंटेन माउंटेन है। देर इज़ अ हैदर अली म्यूजियम सेंटर है। देर इज़ अ बाकू ओल्ड सिटी है। तो वो सारा डिफरेंट डिफरेंट प्लेसेस है। और उसके अलावा अजरबैजान में बाकू, गबाला, सादा, इट इज़ वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सिटी है। वहाँ जो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप पूरा कल्चर होता है। तो बहुत बढ़िया माउंटेन है अजरबैजान में। गबाला है, माउंटेन पे है, सादाक माउंटेन पे है। और अजरबैजान में माउंटेन भी है, सी भी है, और यूके यूरोप सेम कल्चर भी है।
ओके। तो काफी अच्छी आपने जगह बताई है, और अगर जो भी विजिट करेंगे सो डेफिनेटली दे विल विजिट दैट ट्रिप।
यस,
जैसे कि सर आपने भी दो बातें करी दैट अबाउट फायर समथिंग, यानी कि बाकू को एक लैंड ऑफ फायर भी बोला जाता है।
यस।
उसके पीछे की क्या कहानी है?
लैंड ऑफ फायर कहते हैं अजरबैजान।
ओके।
सो अजरबैजान इज अ लैंड ऑफ द फायर। लैंड ऑफ फायर कहते हैं, तो उसके लिए लैंड ऑफ फायर पूरा नए नेम जो है लैंड ऑफ फायर।
तो उसके पीछे कोई कहानी होगी तभी शायद उसको ऐसा नाम दिया गया होगा।
इसके पीछे कहानी वो उसकी वही है, अजरबैजान नाम में जो है अजरबैजान।
अजरबैजान।
हाँ, तो वही उसके पीछे जो स्टोरी आती है वो लैंड ऑफ फायर, उस पर
ओके।
से ही नाम है अजरबैजान।
अच्छा, उसी को लेके उसी से बनाया है शब्द।
हाँ।
ये तो बहुत ही यूनिक चीज आज हमें पता चली
यस।
उसके बारे में। तो जैसे कि अगर हम इफ यू वांटेड टू डिस्क्राइब योर होल जर्नी, कैन यू डिस्क्राइब इट इन 3 words?
होल जर्नी इज लाइक,
I mean, it's hard, but you have to.
yes, it's hard, but I can say it is very very good and excellent. I went to Azerbaijan. There is a great, and people are very nicely and lovable. I don't feel I am not in India. Yeah, and I love to say in India we have the Gujarat.
Hmm. जी.
So if you see the Azerbaijan map and Gujarat map, both are similar. 95% both are similar.
That's a new fact we learned today.
Yes, yes, great.
You are also a director and founder of What About Group MMC. So can you tell about more about your organization?
Yes. Walkabout Group MMC, we we are in Azerbaijan. We promote the Azerbaijan in India, not in India, India, even Gulf country, even Turkey as well also. So we are promoting the culture, wedding, pre-wedding, MICE group, corporate group. So we are promoting all over the world. But especially India, explore India, we are promoting very, very much. And as well also, I am the Indo film culture and film culture forum the president. So me, myself, and Dr. Sandeep Marwa, we are lot of making the program in the India in Delhi as well also with Azerbaijan embassy.
Okay.
So lot of we are promoting, we are covering the media to promoting to Azerbaijan, Baku.
That's amazing to hear, sir. And being away from India, you must miss something from India. I mean, can you name it? I mean, being away from home. I mean, India is your home. So, ऐसी कोई चीजें जो आपको याद आती हो इंडिया के बारे में? Being in Azerbaijan, I mean, you went there.
As I said, I told you, it is great. I am living in Azerbaijan, but I don't feel I am living in Azerbaijan. It's
Hmm.
same like my country. People are that much they are loving and that much they are supporting everything. So
Okay.
it's,
So, at last, any message you wanted to give to our viewers about tourism in Azerbaijan? Like people should visit it?
yes, I would love to say must visit the Azerbaijan Baku.
Okay.
It is a great country, beautiful country, lovable country, culture, food, everything, and it is like you are visiting Europe, Switzerland. So here is everything. In Azerbaijan, you will feel the same Europe culture and there is in Azerbaijan, there is a sea also, there is a mountain also, and there is a culture, yeah, same culture also.
It's lovely to meeting you, sir. Thank you so much for being such an informative information you provided today about Azerbaijan, their tourism, their culture and art form. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much giving the great opportunity to hear. I am today with you and I just talk about the Azerbaijan Baku. Thank you so much to entire your team.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah.
We'll be back with another episode of Rubaru. Thank you.